Skinner Sheds has been designing and manufacturing garden buildings right here in the UK for over 40 years and serving over 100,000 customers. Our eco-friendly head office, based on a 1.5-acre site in Bexhill, represents a £1 million investment employing over 90 people. Solar panels help power our factory, and our biomass boiler is powered by timber chippings and offcuts to ensure no wastage. We use only the finest redwood timber, which is 100% pressure treated. All our sheds and timber buildings are built with strength and durability in mind, which is why we use diagonal bracing, stainless steel nails and galvanized fittings for a rock-solid shed. Unlike many shed manufacturers, all our floors and roofs are made using a superior tongue and groove construction, which provides durability and will not distort due to variations in temperature and humidity. Best of all, every shed is built to order, delivered and erected at no extra cost, direct from our factory. The Skinner's promise. No one sells cheaper sheds that are built to the same quality and specification, delivered and erected. Skinner's Sheds, celebrating over 40 years of craftsmanship.